Basically, you are having two economics paper in BCom third year. One is financial management, second is international trade and finance. So as I told you, basically this is simultaneously running both of these paper. So in second financial management paper, your first topic is business finance. So this definition of business finance is given here. As all of you know, the finance which is needed for the business, to smooth running of the businesses, we needed some finance which is called the business finance. Business finance is essential to produce the daily needed goods and services, expand market reach, process raw materials, invest in infrastructure, and many similar necessities. Basically, the meaning of this is means every day and day by day we needed some money to run the business. For the short term and long term, for running of the business, we needed amount of the money which is called the business finance. रजत आवाज आ रही है ना? रजत?
हाँ सर, वो माइक मैंने ऑफ कर रखा है, आवाज आ रही है।
कोई बात नहीं, मैं बस 5 मिनट only I will teach for 5 minutes and then I will stop here and I will send this e-paper, send this e-content to all of you, right? Okay, so basically the meaning of the business finance is clear, is given here. So easily you can understand what kind of business finance is needed. Some the essential things which is given here to read out and why we need the business, why we need the business finance. Okay, so for capital investment to improve infrastructure, right, we needed capital to invest infrastructure. For the long term, we needed the finance. Similarly, the working capital, which is essential. For the short term, we needed some capital to essential smooth functioning of the business, which is called the working capital. Similarly, expand business operation. For the long run, we want to increase and enhance our capacity of production, so we needed finance, we needed the business finance. Similarly, some examples are given here for fixed capital such as land, building, plant and machinery. For all these things, we needed the business finance. Similarly, raw material, payment of wage and salary and all, upgrade to the latest technology and software and all, we needed the business finance. Similarly, various examples are given here. Then the next is, what source of business finance? The question is, yes, we needed the business finance. The next question is, what source of the business finance? Various sources of the business finance are given, for this business purpose, we are having some investment banks. Some banks are there with only giving loan for the business purpose. IDBI now is turned up the bank. Now IDBI is the commercial banks, but earlier it was only Industry and Development Bank of India is only giving loan for the industries.
Industry.
Right? Similarly, example is
Yes, sir.
should be, which is called the investment banks, right? Should be IDBI, IFCI, all these are called the investment bank, which are only giving loan for the investment purpose, but which is not giving the personal loan and all, which is not dealing with the common man, which is not dealing with the customers, common customers, right? They were not giving personal loan and all, which is only giving the investment purpose, which is giving loan to big businessmen, right? Similarly, there are the various venture capitals are there, they are also giving the loan. Similarly, all commercial banks, like in India, we are having all kind of commercial banks. This commercial bank is also giving loan, right?
Yes, sir.
These are same, but industrial banks or financial banks or investment bank, they are only giving loan, but they are not going to engage in particular kind of banking. Like they do not deposit cash from the common man. They, it's not giving right of, they're not maintaining the saving account and all. But commercial banks is also there. They are also having two kind of commercial banks in India. We are having, one is private sector, second is scheduled commercial banks. Scheduled commercial bank later, 1969, which are nationalized. These two banks is also giving loan, like Yes Bank, Punjab National Bank, Bank of Baroda and all. All these are commercial banks. Private and government commercial banks both are giving loan for the investment purpose. This is business. These are the source of the business finance. Similarly, the government of India is also source of the business finance. You know, it's for the government sector, for the government industries, for the government purposes giving loan. Government sector is also there. Similarly, some big institutions like NABARD and all, they also giving loan for small businesses, not the big business. You know, not big business fortunes. All these is not giving loan. It's only giving loan to the small corporations and all, right? Similarly, various sources are there. Many sources are there. So you know, this is very small definitions of the business finance, and business finance is essential to run the business operation and all. Is it okay? So Rajat, this is e-content I'm going to send you. Okay. So I would like to stop here. It's enough is today.